Does your living room feel impersonal or lack that calming vibe? Today, we'll transform it into a personalized, holistic sanctuary that reflects you and supports your well-being. Let's get started. Use nature-inspired artwork, such as landscapes, botanical prints, or abstract pieces in calming colors. Art inspired by nature can evoke a sense of tranquility, reduce stress, and enhance your connection to the natural world, promoting mental well-being. Curate a wall with framed photos from family trips, special moments, or cherished gatherings, incorporating natural wooden frames or recycled materials. Displaying personal memories fosters a sense of gratitude, belonging, and joy, contributing to emotional well-being and making your living room feel warm and inviting. Use organic, sustainably sourced fabrics like cotton or linen with natural dyes for your throw pillows. Choosing eco-friendly materials reduces your environmental impact and promotes a healthier living space, free from harmful chemicals. Fill your nook with books on wellness, mindfulness, and self-care, along with a cozy, natural fiber throw blanket. A reading corner encourages mental relaxation and continual learning about self-improvement and well-being. Display heirloom crystals, handmade pottery, or wellness objects like a Himalayan salt lamp. Items with emotional or spiritual significance can provide grounding energy and promote a balanced, calming atmosphere in your living space. Diffuse essential oils like lavender and chamomile for relaxation or eucalyptus for respiratory health. Essential oils not only enhance the room scent, but also offer therapeutic benefits, supporting physical and emotional well-being. Use full-spectrum or circadian rhythm lighting to mimic natural light, supporting your body's internal clock. Proper lighting can improve mood, sleep, and overall health, contributing to a holistic approach to wellness. Engaging in creative activities with natural materials fosters mindfulness, reduces stress, and creates a harmonious, earth-friendly environment. Colors have a significant impact on mood, and a personalized scheme ensures your space feels emotionally aligned. A statement piece of furniture or a bold rug can instantly transform your living room by adding personality, defining the space, and creating a focal point that reflects your unique style. Plants bring life into your home, improve air quality, and create a serene atmosphere. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on creating a harmonious home. See you next time.